Arch Linux has had a rough few days, and the Linux community has been paying close attention. As one of the most popular rolling release distributions, Arch is known for delivering the latest software updates faster than almost any other Linux operating system. For many users, that is exactly why they love it. However, when problems appear, they can spread quickly because a large number of users update their systems regularly. The recent issues began when several package updates introduced unexpected problems for some users. Reports started appearing on forums, Reddit, and social media describing failed updates, package conflicts, application crashes, and other system-related issues. While not every Arch Linux installation was affected, the volume of reports was enough to generate widespread discussion. One reason these problems gained so much attention is Arch Linux's rolling release model. Unlike Ubuntu or Linux Mint, which release major versions at scheduled intervals, Arch continuously pushes software updates. Users receive the latest kernels, drivers, desktop environments, and applications almost immediately after they become available upstream. This approach provides significant benefits. Users gain access to new features, security improvements, hardware support, and performance enhancements without waiting months for the next release cycle. Many Linux enthusiasts choose Arch specifically because they want to stay on the cutting edge of software development. However, the same model also introduces risk. New software can contain bugs that were not discovered during testing. Since Arch delivers updates rapidly, users often become some of the first people in the world to run these new versions. This means they may encounter issues before developers have time to identify and fix every problem. Another factor is the complexity of modern Linux systems. Arch Linux depends on many interconnected projects, including the Linux kernel, systemed Mesa graphics drivers, GNOME, KDE Plasma, and hundreds of supporting libraries. A change in one package can sometimes trigger unexpected issues elsewhere in the system. Some users reported dependency conflicts during updates, making it difficult to complete system upgrades successfully. Others experienced issues with desktop environments or applications that behave differently after updating. In certain cases, users needed to perform additional troubleshooting steps before their systems returned to normal operation. As news of these problems spread online, discussions quickly intensified. Social media platforms, Linux forums, and YouTube channels began covering the situation. Some reports accurately described technical challenges, while others exaggerated the impact, making it seem as though Arch Linux was experiencing a major crisis. Fortunately, the Arch Linux community responded rapidly. Experienced users shared solutions, temporary workarounds, and troubleshooting advice. The Arch Wiki once again proved its value as one of the most comprehensive Linux documentation resources available. Many users were able to resolve their issues simply by following guidance from community members. The Arch maintainers also worked quickly to investigate bug reports and release fixes where necessary. Open source development allows users to directly report problems and participate in discussions about solutions. This transparency helps issues get identified and addressed faster than in many closed software ecosystems. The situation also reminded users about the importance of reading official Arch Linux news announcements before performing upgrades. Developers often publish important information regarding package transitions or manual steps that users may need to take. Ignoring these notices can sometimes lead to avoidable problems during updates. In the end, Arch Linux having a rough few days does not mean the project is in trouble. Occasional challenges are part of maintaining a distribution that prioritizes the latest software and technologies. The recent events simply highlight the balance between innovation and stability. While some users experienced frustration, the strong response from both developers and the community demonstrates why Arch Linux remains one of the most respected and influential distributions in the Linux world.